Today I am reviewing the EGO Power LM2135SP 21-inch Self-Propelled Lawn Mower Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The EGO Power LM2135SP 21-inch Self-Propelled Lawn Mower Kit is a premium cordless lawn mower that brings together power, convenience, and smart design in a way that makes lawn care significantly easier and more enjoyable. Designed for homeowners who want high performance without the hassle of gas-powered equipment, this mower delivers impressive results while staying eco-friendly and user-friendly. One of the first things you'll notice about this mower is its cordless design powered by EGO's 56V ARC Lithium batteries. Unlike traditional gas mowers, there's no need to deal with fuel, oil changes, or engine maintenance. You simply charge the battery, snap it into place, and you're ready to go. This makes it not only cleaner, but also much more convenient for regular use. The kit includes a 7.5Ah battery and an additional 5.0Ah battery, which is a major advantage. With the larger battery alone, you can expect up to 60 minutes of runtime, depending on grass conditions and usage. The extra battery extends your mowing time even further, making it suitable for medium to large lawns without interruption. This dual battery setup adds flexibility and ensures you won't run out of power mid-job. Charging is also efficient thanks to the included rapid charger, which can fully recharge the 7.5Ah battery in about an hour. This quick turnaround means less downtime and more productivity, especially during busy weekends or when you need to finish your yard work quickly. Performance-wise, the LM2135SP stands out with its Select Cut multi-blade system. This feature allows you to customize your cutting performance based on your lawn's needs. Whether you want finer mulching, better bagging, or extended runtime, the interchangeable blades give you control over how your lawn is maintained. It's a level of customization that you don't typically see in standard mowers. Another key feature is the touch drive self-propelled technology. Instead of manually pushing the mower, you can control its movement with a simple touch interface. This makes mowing much less physically demanding, especially on larger lawns or slightly uneven terrain. You can easily adjust the speed to match your walking pace, giving you a smooth and controlled mowing experience. The 21-inch cutting deck strikes a great balance between coverage and maneuverability. It's wide enough to cover a good amount of ground with each pass, but still compact enough to navigate around obstacles like trees, flower beds, and garden edges. Height adjustment is straightforward with 8 cutting positions ranging from 1 to 4 inches. This allows you to maintain your lawn at the exact height you prefer, whether you like a short, clean cut or a slightly longer, more natural look. Adjusting the height is quick and doesn't require complicated tools. Versatility is another strong point. This mower offers 3-in-1 functionality, including mulching, bagging, and side discharge. You can choose the method that works best for your lawn and your maintenance routine. The included grass bag is easy to attach and remove and does a good job of collecting clippings for a cleaner finish. In terms of build quality, the mower feels solid and durable. It's designed to handle regular use while maintaining consistent performance. Despite its robust construction, it's still relatively lightweight compared to gas-powered models, which makes it easier to maneuver and store. Noise level is another area where this mower excels. It operates much more quietly than traditional gas mowers, making it more pleasant to use and less disruptive to neighbors. This is especially useful if you prefer to mow early in the morning or later in the evening. Maintenance is minimal, which is one of the biggest advantages of going electric. There's no need for oil changes, spark plugs, or fuel stabilizers. Basic cleaning and occasional blade maintenance are usually all that's required to keep it running smoothly. The mower is also backed by a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty, which adds an extra layer of confidence in its long-term reliability. It's also compatible with other EGO 56V batteries, so if you already own EGO tools, you can share batteries across devices. In real-world use, the EGO Power LM2135SP delivers a clean, even cut with minimal effort. The combination of strong battery performance, self-propelled convenience, and customizable cutting options makes it a standout choice in the cordless mower category. Of course, like any battery-powered tool, Runtime can vary depending on grass thickness and terrain, but the inclusion of an extra battery helps mitigate this concern significantly. Overall, this mower is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade from a gas mower or enter the world of cordless lawn care. It offers powerful performance, thoughtful features, and a hassle-free user experience that makes maintaining your lawn easier and more efficient. If you want a reliable, high-performance lawn mower that combines power, convenience, and modern technology, the EGO Power LM2135SP is a top-tier option that delivers outstanding results.